We're going to look at a 2013 Toyota Camry XLE. It's got 51,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's Quicksilver metallic in color. I'm going to give you the walk around of the vehicle. Start down the driver's side here. Everything's in really good shape. It is equipped with the backup camera, and it is an XLE, so it's going to have all the bells and whistles. It's a top of the line trim level for the Toyota. Passenger side of the Camry looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the interior. Alright, and it is equipped with a sunroof as well. It's got the two-tone door panels, the black with the gray, nice wood grain trim, power windows, power locks, leather seating, and the darker gray with the lighter titanium insert. Alright, really nice stylish seats there, and as you can see, they're well taken care of. They're a power driver's seat. Alright, does have keyless entry. Passenger seat's in really good shape too. I'll pan out a little bit, let you get a shot of the sunroof there. Alright, it is an automatic. It does have heated seats. Alright, got your touchscreen display right there with your climate control. It's dual climate controls, backup camera, CD player. We'll turn it on in a second, let you see that. Push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth and steering wheel audio controls. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your mileage. Okay, it's got 51,907 miles. Let's go ahead and knock the glare off of there. There we go. Let's go ahead and take a look at your push touch screen here. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. Right. Let's go ahead and get you to your setup screen. Alright, so you got all that available. Your push button start, your dual climate controls, and your heated seats. Alright, AC's been running now for about 10 minutes. Everything blowing nice and cold there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Carpet looks good back here. Leather seats are in good shape. Guys, this thing's got 51,000 miles on it. It's a 2013, but it still has that new car smell. I mean, the seats look brand new. Doesn't even look like anybody's even sat back here. This thing's in phenomenal shape. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view. Layout of the dash. Alright, let's check out your trunk space. Nice and clean back here. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth, but a ton of room back here. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Let's see, we have, where's it at? 17-inch alloys. The tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left on them. Alright folks, just to recap, it's 2013 Toyota Camry XLE. Alright, it's got 51,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing smells like a new car, looks like a new car. I mean, it's been well maintained, well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.